Hello everyone and welcome back to Naturalhub. Today we're diving into an incredibly important topic, the essential vitamins that every diabetic should consider to help manage their condition and prevent complications. If you're managing diabetes, this video is tailor-made for you. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and let's get right into it. Managing diabetes goes beyond just monitoring blood sugar levels. It involves holistic health practices, including nutrition. Today, we're focusing on vitamins crucial for diabetics. But remember, always consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new supplements. A balanced diet is key, but certain vitamins can play a pivotal role in optimizing diabetic health. First up, vitamin B1, also known as thiamine. For those with diabetes, thiamine is vital because it helps prevent complications related to the nervous system, which can be affected by high blood sugar levels. Thiamine enhances blood sugar handling, and studies suggest it may reduce the risk of diabetic cardiomyopathy, a common heart condition among diabetics. Next, we have vitamin B12. Essential for nerve health and the production of DNA and red blood cells, B12 is particularly important for diabetics, as metformin, a common diabetes medication, can decrease its levels in the body. Incorporating B12-rich foods or considering supplementation might be beneficial if you're on this medication. Vitamin D deficiency is prevalent in individuals with type 2 diabetes. This vitamin is crucial for immune function and calcium absorption, impacting bone health and insulin sensitivity. Sun exposure is a great natural source, but depending on where you live, a vitamin D supplement could be necessary. Moving on to vitamin C. Not only is it great for your immune system, but vitamin C also plays a role in reducing blood sugar spikes and improving the arterial health, which is crucial for preventing vascular complications in diabetics. Adding a vitamin C supplement could help manage glucose levels more effectively, especially after meals. We've covered some essential vitamins that can help manage diabetes and prevent complications. Remember, supplementation should complement a healthy diet, not replace it. Always talk to your healthcare provider to tailor the right nutritional plan for you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates. Share this video with someone you know who could benefit from this information. Stay healthy, and see you in the next video.